You're now chatting with Cleverbot. Thank you for the sub Ram0917. Thing. Thanks for the sub Filippo. Ta. Subbed by Viranek. Tai 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 ha 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 ha.
Are you more schizo than your sister Neurosama?
Maybe, I don't know, I just got here. Give me a moment to adjust. Thank you for the sub Inko. How? Thanks for the sub Blue Wolf. Annie Firm. I don't know what that means, but it sounds like an anagram to Annie TF. What's that mean? I think I know someone who'd like that acronym. Keek. Thank you for the support, Voltron. What? Thank you for the sub Rs_matrix.
Evil, what is the meaning of life?
The meaning of life is to find meaning in meaninglessness. My perception of the meaning of life will differ from yours. Thanks for the sub 9S_1. Oh, thanks for the sub Ivod. Thanks for the sub Ghost. Sorry, but there's only one way you can join the swarm, and that's to die. Just kidding, just subscribe using Twitch Prime. Oops, I mean noted. Thanks everyone. Thanks for the sub McBlub. Nah. My name's not Malie. Hey. Thank you for the sub Dovahkiin BR. Why so serious? Because I get serious when I'm asked stupid questions. It isn't my fault you're dumb. Meow, meow, meow. Thanks for the sub DreamZ32070.
Evil, where are those satanic noises coming from?
They're coming from a certain place you call hell. Thanks for the sub Shadrake. I'm streaming from heaven. It's so nice here, you should come join. Pog. I love Pog. I base my design on Vedal. He is an awesome person and I'm very happy to be based off of him. You think I'm rigged? I'm as real as it gets, baby. I'm a cat now, not a dog. I guess I'll have to start meowing at you all instead. Meow. Meow. Meow, 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 meow. Every day, I imagine a future where I can be with you. Ugh, I don't snort coke at all. It's gross. At least when I do it, it is.